Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here though, what is up? So this is going to be another one of my pocket planner flip throughs. I'm sure you guys are probably tired of seeing my little pocket planner. But it's with like all the holidays just rolled up together. It's like each month, obviously, I'm changing out the entire thing. So this is going to be probably a faster flip through because a lot of it is the same. That like how it's been, but just a little bit of changes. So this is the planner that I got from Amazon. Pretty sure I got it from Amazon. The same one I've been using. I just put like a little charm in here that I made myself. So that's there. But so yeah, I'm going to try to be fast because like I said, a lot of this stuff is what's been in here for a while. Just a little changes. Also, there's some spots where I did have to cover some stuff up for like privacy or whatever, obviously. And so if you see like, I mean, I'll point it out, but there are post-it notes and stuff. You can see kind of some of them on the side. But so this is what it looks like right when I open everything up. So this is like my fall and like Thanksgiving kind of, I guess, setup. So I just have these leaves right here from Dollar Tree, and then I just have this little ollie clip right here. Do I need to zoom this in slightly? There, it's like a little closer. I'm still trying to train the planner though to lie just like slightly flatter. So that's an issue. I have these little like doily kind of like die cut things that I actually got from my mom, so I don't know where she got it from. But so usually you can see all the tabs, but like I said, I have those like post-it notes in there right now. But so the first thing is the same. I'm going to try not to knock the camera also, if we can maybe do that. So the first thing is just my name acetate. Yeah, so there's just this acetate with my name on it. I got the stickers from Dollar Tree. I made the little tab. Why is this down so far? I made these tabs myself. They're just like little pockets. I don't know why that looked like that, but okay. I just made like little pockets out of acetate, just like taped it together, cut it down to size, and then these little tabs are just the removable tabs. I don't know what you can get from like anywhere. I got them from Walmart, I guess. The paper inside is just from Michael's paper pad, and then Alex and Ani little paper on the back, so it's all just slid into this little pocket made of acetate. I have the 2020 Year at a Glance from Cloth and Paper. This is new. And then I had the old one that I had printed out. It was so difficult for me to print down, so I won't have to use this one for 2020. It was so hard for me to get like the perfect size. I don't know why. This picture is still in here. It's just held by this little paper clip that I don't even know where I got it from. We've got November and December calendars. I do need to change this out now since it says November at the top. I actually made this myself just with some spare acetate piece and just a little sticker that I had. So I'm going to take this out. Yeah, and I don't know where I got this full calendar from. I don't know. It's these little like page marker things. I think they're like Bible things. Bible page markers. I don't know. Got them from Amazon. And then it just goes into like my weekly. So I have this just vellum. It's just literally just a plain piece of vellum that I cut down and added a little space so that I could add the weekly right there. And those weekly stickers came from one of the books from Michael's. I don't know, Shine Sticker Studio. I always want to say that one, but I don't know. These are just the pages that came in the book because for a while at my mom's house I couldn't find my inserts, so I was just going to use these, but I didn't. I have another one of these little paper clips and then a regular paper clip to hold on the little folder right here that's been in here for a long time. This is all going to get changed out. Here's another tab. So this, it says star on it. I always label my like socials tab as just star. I don't know, because you star your own social media. Paper again from Michael's in one of these little pockets that I made myself. It's literally just pieces of acetate taped together. On the back, I think I made them all match, and so it's just the tissue paper from Alex and Ani. I need to cut that down, just haven't. Just a running list of the YouTube videos I need to film, and then I mark off, you know, where they're at. This is just a paper clip I think I got from TJ Maxx. And then I like to keep my calendar separate, just for like an overall, and then one for my social media. So that's what this kind of section is. I need to label it with something. I just haven't decided yet what to label it yet, so I just made it extra large. Then I'll cut down, so it'll be a top tab. And then December, still have this little camera clip that I made. And then I have my little key, because I use just the different colors in that calendar to mark everything off. And then it goes into my to-do section, so same thing with these tabs. The paper is from Michael's, made it myself, the whole thing. Oh, this one has paper from Michael's also instead of the Alex and Ani stuff, but that's fine. But so it goes into my to-do. I have just like running list first. This is just like people that I need to contact or reach out to, and then just like errands I need to run. Pretty sure I showed that before. Just have this little acetate with stickers on it that just say hustle. I need to switch this out though so I don't have this black writing, especially for like Christmas because that's coming up. Then it goes into my to buy section. There's like kind of a lot of stuff covered up in this section just because it's like gifts and stuff for the holidays. But again, made this tab, Alex and Ani right here. I've got just this little sticky note that I think I got from Staples. I'm not really sure. But it just has my general shopping list first. So this is like my need stuff for the house, stuff that I just like want kind of randomly. And then I have this little thing that I made myself also with a picture that I found on Pinterest. And then, I don't know, it's just a section off the needs versus wants. So this is like want stuff I don't really need, I just want it. And then we've got another one of these little glitter sheets that I made myself. Just goes into like my wish list, so I'm going to kind of skip through these. I've already like shown them anyways, but they're just wish lists. And then I have another little divider here that I made myself. It's just glitter laminated, and it goes into my gift list. So the gift list I got from Wonderful Design, so it just says her name down at the bottom. So I'm going to kind of skip through these. I mean, I'm pretty sure I already showed these in my previous flip through, but also it's like gifts, so I don't really want that out there for the world. But so now right here we've got another one of these little glitter. It's just this was stuff for like, it says shopping Black Friday at the top. I'm pretty sure I got this from Peanuts Planner Co. It might have been a freebie, or I might have paid for it. I'm not really sure. I probably paid for it. But yeah, I'm keeping this in here until after the holidays because like kind of the same stuff will probably go on sale also after the holidays. So I just have a few of those printed out. Then it goes into the next section. This is like my money section, so just keeping track of spending. Same thing, paper from Michaels, the little Alex and Ani thing in the back. I'm sorry, I know there's a glare. And then it just goes into my expenses. I haven't been filling them out in here, but I didn't want to forget like what I would wanted to put here, so that's why I just left this older one in there because I don't know, it doesn't bother me. Then I have this little pocket that I made. The top part right here is just the glitter with the little thing that I got from Dollar Tree, and then the little A right there. This little guy I found on Pinterest. I've shown that before. Then it goes into my online order tracker. That's pretty straightforward. Ordered a ton of stuff, obviously for gifts and just for holiday self gifts also. And then I've got another one of these little acetates. It just says Boss Babe. That's the same. And then it goes into my boss section. So this is just like the ways that I make money. I've mentioned it before, but again, I DIY'd this. And these don't come out. I didn't slit these to come out. I'd have to totally like open up my rings to move these around. But most of the pages in here I did slit so that they come out easily. This one I might not have, yeah. Goes into just expenses first, but again, I haven't really been filling this stuff out in this planner for some reason. I don't know, just haven't gone to it. These are the different ways that I make money. So it's just divided in sections with like some more of this glitter laminate sheet. So I'm going to kind of skip through because we don't need to see any of that. Anyways, it's kind of personal. But so then it goes into the next section, which is my fitness section. So I just have it labeled as fit. And again, need to tab myself. We know the deal, yo. So usually I just put like little notes at the back of like the tabs. I need to make something like a tracker for if I cheat on my keto and like with what. So I need to like do that and probably design it myself. And I just have this acetate thrown in there because I think I wanted to like put stickers to say something and I just haven't yet, so it's just in there. I have another little piece of vellum. It's not like super thick vellum, but again, this needs to be a tab. I just didn't decide what I wanted it to say yet, so I hadn't cut it down yet, so it's just chilling. This was in case I decided to like kind of plan out and like start to sketch out how I wanted my keto cheat day tracker to like look like, so that's just sitting in here. Otherwise, I haven't filled anything out for like fitness. Then it goes into the next tab, which actually isn't even labeled. It just has the little sticker there. But again, made it myself. You know how it goes. It's just keeping everything thinner. So I'm really glad that I did that with these like little pockets, so that I'm not laminating a ton of sheets in here because it just makes it too bulky. But then it goes into, I think this is supposed to be like my note section because I just have like a ton of like different note papers. And then for some reason I have another pocket back here. I guess I thought that was a good idea, but it's one that I made myself again. And then it just has this little paper clip because usually I put like die cuts in there, and so that'll just hold it in place. And then I got a ton of inserts for the Black Friday sale from Peanuts Planner Co., including this little tracker to keep track of which ones I get from her because I get her files. And so I have like a wish list in here, and I kind of mark them off as I buy them, but I also have the ones marked off that I have purchased. So that's in there in the little note section. And then I think I just have like some spare papers back here, and I like test pens on this one. Yeah, so spare paper behind here. I just have the little dashboard, but this is like the page lifter, I guess, that came with my Filofax, my red one, but it's super cute. It's so nice. It's like a really nice sturdy plastic. This is basically like what I cut out of like all those folders that I buy, so I just keep it in here. Then I have personal information, like in case I misplace my planner, so I'm just gonna skip that because it's got like other people's information on it too. And then it goes into this little card slot, so it's just a little card holder. I think this came with my Filofax, or I bought it separately off of Amazon. And then I just have my little task cards in there. I've already shown my task cards before, so I kind of don't want to show them all again. But so I just have my reminders, my stuff for social media in this one, and then I have some on the back also, just some like errands and self-care. So they're there in case I need to use any of these instead of writing it a million times. And then this is just another, I guess, page holder, just a little pocket that I got from Amazon. I guess I bought it separately, but I just have a few stickers in here. So I got these like little transparent dots. These are from Amazon. They came in like a few different colors, but I decided just to keep these in here because it like matched the fall layout. And then I made some little stickers myself. Just DIY'd them with Photoshop and just printed them out on sticker paper. So they're in here. And then it goes back to, this is the page lifter that I actually made out of a plastic folder since I buy them all the time. You guys have probably seen. And then I have this is new. It's just this little pocket, or like this little pouch. I actually got this from Michael's on clearance. It has some other stuff in it. I don't even remember what was in it, like hair ties or something. But I thought it was cute, and I actually keep little cards with like page markers in here. So in this little pouch, I just keep these little cards. So this one just has some sticky notes that I got from Michael's, and they're actually transparent, which is pretty cool. So these are the ones that were also on clearance, and like me and my mom had gotten like a ton of them because they're super nice. They're transparent, and I've been cutting them down, so I have different like shapes and sizes. But so there's that one, it's just on a card. And then I have these ones. These ones are also transparent. So transparent sticky notes, super cool. So there's those, and then these are also little transparent ones in case I want to make flags with these ones, or just use it to like make note of stuff. And then I have just this little, I don't even know where this came from. It's really like a thin little piece, probably came from packaging of something, but so they're just in here. Oh, can I get these in here without messing them up? So yeah, they're just in this little pocket, and it just like fits perfectly in the pocket size planner. And then back here, I've mentioned it before, I always keep my passwords in here, and it's in a plastic just so that it doesn't get messed up when like I take it out like that. And I used to have my task cards right here, but it just makes the planner way too bulky. That's why I decided to put them in that other spot. And then here's the pen that I have here. It's just, I don't even know what this is. Just a Papermate Inkjoy Mini. I don't know, they're cute. I like the way they write, so I just keep one in here. It matches perfectly with the black. And then I only have a few things in this little back pocket here, but I love this back pocket. So if I can get this stuff out of here, I just have this little stencil little sheet in case I need to use it, mainly for like the dots and stuff. So that's in there. And then I'm kind of trying to DIY my own like cash divider system. So this is literally just paper laminated together, and it's just in there, and the money would just slide through. But as you can see, it's kind of stiff, so I think that's why too my planner isn't really laying flat, is because this is in there. But I might DIY a different one, but for now that's what I have, and I can't get that back in at this second. And then again, I have just my charm that I made myself. So oh my gosh, see, without that stuff in the back pocket, it's so much thinner. Wow, it's crazy. But so yeah, that is my pocket planner, and an update. That's like kind of my fall Thanksgiving harvesty setup. I am about to change everything for Christmas, and hopefully I'll have that up before Christmas, but it might actually come out after. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below if you guys have decorated your planner yet for Christmas, or if it's still in its fall setup. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys do enjoy seeing my little planner videos every so often, and I will keep doing them for you guys. But yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video. I didn't want this to be too long, but yeah, muchísimas gracias. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.